Okay, so on this Wolverine helmet, you can see so far, I didn't really have to do much as far as sanding, but the bottom where the raft was, you can see just what like a little bit of 220 grit sandpaper can do, and just around the eyes as well. So I did this half, I sanded this half just at the bottom and at the eye, and the same on this side. The rest, I'm not gonna have to do too much. As you can see, this print came out pretty good. So just basic 220, a little bit of wet and dry sandpaper, and then Bondo. I'm not gonna have to Bondo anything on this one actually. There's no, just so used to doing that, or sand that. There we go. Alright, so I got the first coat of primer on, and you can see from there pretty much that's good. So I'm not gonna have to add any Bondo. I'm gonna add one more layer of the primer, and then like a flat black for the ears, and then for the center yellow, I'm gonna try. I had a little piece outside of an old print that I pretty much sprayed red and yellow. So just to give this helmet like a little bit more detail and color, because I don't want the yellow to be too bright and overwhelming. And the main thing, I guess, for this helmet, because this one's pretty quick, is just going to be adding some damage detail, some weathering to this one. Just really making it pop, really making it tell a story. Let's go.